Yan.
Share my life, take me for what I am, just all that you are,
Alisin mo yan, okay?
everything
Mas
that
sexy, mas
you
tita eh. Tita is more sexier than you.
Nalos na ako, tita. Ikaw kasi. Too much.
Hindi ko alam to, sorry. The thing that you do. Go, go, go. I don't really need to look very much farther. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. Go.
I won't hold it back again. There's passion inside. I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide.
Don't cry.
Don't make me lose one mother.
Wala pa kayo mga kamay!
Bakit ko to, pero hindi ko ang kaya.
Away from me.
Pansinin mo ako! I have nothing, nothing, nothing
If I don't have you.
Huwag kang tumalikod, ay ako pala. Dito ka.
You see through right to the heart of me. You break down my walls with the strength of your love. Ooh, I never knew love like you know.
Sorry, sorry.
With you, will the memories survive?
Huwag kang mag-alis sa doon yan, Jennifer Baker.
What I can
Dito ka.
I don't really need to love very much farther. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I'm holding back again. This passion inside, I can run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Your love I'll remember forever. Don't make me lose one more. Wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. I must stay imagine you there. Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing.
Time out.
Don't make me lose one more. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. Must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. Don't walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me. Yan ang boses. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. If I don't have you.
Pareho kaming kulot.
Don't have you. Siyempre, auntie kita eh.
Go.
Have you.
Ano pala?
Okay, talaga naman napakagaling. Palakpakan po natin ang magtiyahin. Ayun po. Thank you very much, Charis ng Hong Kong at Charisa ng Hong Kong. Ayan.
Sandali lang pa.
You want more?
Sa'yo pa?
Okay, one more.
Oh, si tita naman po ngayon ang kakanta.
Ganon?
One more? Wala na akong boses!
Gusto niyo ako?
Okay, go!
Nakaintay mo, tita.
Gusto nyo ba ng kanton? Kanton! Kanton! Pagkain yun. Ay, di pala. Survive.
Kaya.
At first, I was afraid. I was afraid to cry. Keep thinking out. Never leaving it. Right inside, baby. Girl, I spent so many nights thinking how you were wrong and I was wrong. And now you have you got alone and so back. You're back. I guess we'll come tomorrow. You hear me? I don't make me big. If I know for just 1 second you'll be back tomorrow, we go, I go, go, have to go. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with your back? Did I crumble? Did you just lay down and cry? No, palakpak naman yan, we'll survive. Oh, as long as I want to love, I know I stay alive. I got all my life to live. I got all my life to live.
Sexy ng tita ko.
I will survive. Hey, hey. Woo! Exercise. Bukas trabaho na naman. Kala nyo happy time.
Go, tita, go.
So quick to sleep, my hands are full of heart.
Ipot naman dyan.
Trying hard to remember this is so bad. Girl, I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. And you, I'm not a child, but little fears can still in love with you. And so you feel like gravity, and yes, expect me to be free. Now I'm saving all my loving for someone who's loving me. Go, go, go out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who's trying to think that is hurting me tonight? Did I crumble? Did you tend to lay down in the night? Oh, no, did I will survive. Oh, as long as I still know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I got all my life to live. I got all my life to live, and I survive. I will survive. Ayusin mo damit ko! Oh! Nakabakot. Go, go! Bakit ako? Go out the door. Just turn around and wait. Just turn and wait a minute. Nakabakot. Didn't you the one who's up and down to hurt me with your back? Did I crumble? Did you tell me down in the night? No, no, did I will survive. So as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I've got all my life to live. I've got all my life to live, and I'll survive. I will survive. I will survive. Palakpak naman. Pagod ako.
Pakita mo, tita, pakita mo.
May asma ako eh. Alright. Ay, walang pulang-lakpak.
Wala pa yung mga kamay.
Kainis naman eh.
Galing ng tita ko na.
Gusto ko pa sanang kumanta. Gusto nyo ba? Talaga?
One
O, dito na kayo. Dito kayo. Isa pa? Bossing sa padaw. Come on! Rock and roll!
Alright, everybody there!
Ang espesyalty ko, kahit kantong pisado, di ko biloni at kung ano-ano. At pagdating sa kanton, for a hero, kanton po.
Ay, tita, may bata dito.
Kantong ko'y special, kantong ko'y the best. Mga customers ko Asa? Isa na daw po. Kaya lang, yung kakantahin ko, no?
Ano yung kakantay mo, tita? Flawless? Flawless?
Flawless na.
Oh my God!
Gusto mo Miss Flawless?
Alam niyo ba yung kantang yon? Ako din, di ko alam eh.
Sandali. Ako po si, pwede niyo ako out sa Facebook, Gemma Costales po. Single po. Single po na dahil ng asawa ko. Kaya ngayon, nala na kami.
Oh,
Okay.
tita, sing na, sing na. Remove your dress.
Ha?
Remove your dress.
Pag-uhubarin mo ako rito.
Yeah!
May pulis ba dyan? Amo ko pulis. Gusto niyo ako magubad? Gusto niya?
Gusto niya? Gusto niya?
Ubad ako.
Gusto niya?
Ayan. Oh. Dali.
No! Nakakaya, grabe.
Eh di, flawless eh.
Tita, may bata kang kasama dito.
Really? Pili ko lang kung may ano pa. Sa tuwing naalala ko. Ay, hindi ako contesta na. Ang grabe pa. Nakatakit na eh. Ay, mahal lang sa tuwing eh. Ganda ko yan. Naninikip ang dibdib ko. Oh my God! Masikip kasi yung naisuot kong bra eh. Ngayon'y hahabog ka.
Tira! Kilig! Kilig! Kilig!
Mahingit sa beauty ko ng dating mukhang lababo. Pamangkin may abay yata. Hong Kong. Miss, nung ako'y tawagin, ang lalaki nagigigil sa akin. Ayaw paawag, paano pipigilin ang damdamin na para sa akin. Miss Flawless, ayaw ko nadagdahan sa sobrang tinig, hindi na mahawakan. Dahan-dahan, mahal ang pagawa dyan. Kung gusto mo, titigan mo na lang. Woo! Bakit? Ay, 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 ay.
Sino gusto niya?
Ay, 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 ay.
Sino gusto niya? Sino gusto niya?
Natutukoy ako. Dito ka, sticker yan. Sticker yan. Magpapakyo.
Tita, contest, contest.
Hoy, babae ako.
Tita ko, tita ko.
Teka lang. Kasi may bigote ka. Gumiling ka, diba? Gumiling ka. Huwag mo ako kausapin. Wala na ako. Hindi kita papansinin. Oh my God! Ayaw ko na makita ka. Sandali! Ako ang singer dito, huwag naman masyado. Dahil mahal kita giling. Go!
Pawis ka na, tita?
Miss Flawless, ay, parang di ko tawagin. Pangalan natin, nagigigil sa akin. Ayaw naman, paano pipigilin ang damdamin nila para sa akin. Miss Flawless, ayos ang kagandahan.
Tita, nasa may piling ko.
Hindi mo mahawakan. Dahan-dahan, mahal mo ang tawagan. Kung gusto mo, titigan mo na lang. Wala na! Wala na! Ito! Ulo! Walang pen! Walang pen, eh! Kaya ko rin yan! Oh my God! Ibigay sa akin, ayaw maawag, paano pipigilin ang damdamin nila para sa akin. Miss Flawless, salamat po!
Okay, thank you very much!
Okay.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
May kasama pa mga sexy.
Grabe.
Yan ang mga tinatawag
Yes,
ng modernong